Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will be talking about uh, disturbance number one. So disturbance number one is at a 70% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. As of 2 p.m. EDT on Monday, June 14th, 2021, showers and thunderstorms continue over the Bay of Campeche in association with a broad low pressure area. Gradual development of this disturbance is possible during the next couple of days while it meanders near the coast of Mexico. The system should begin to move northward by midweek, and a tropical depression is likely to form late in the week when the low moves across the central or northwestern Gulf of Mexico. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall is possible over portions of Central America and southern Mexico during the next several days. Heavy rains can also begin to impact portions of the northern Gulf Coast on Friday. Please consult products from your local meteorological service for more information. So formation chance through the next 48 hours is low at 20%, but the formation chance through the next 5 days is high at 70%. So let's just go on over to disturbance number two, or invest 94L. That was 92L. But a strong tropical wave. Disturbance number two, 20% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. As of 2 p.m. EDT on Monday, June 14th, 2021, a strong tropical wave located several hundred miles southeast of the Cabo Verde Islands is maintaining a large but disorganized area of shower and thunderstorm activity. Some development of the system is possible during the next few days before a combination of dry air aloft and strong upper-level winds limit any chance of formation while the wave is over central tropical Atlantic Ocean late this week. Formation chance through the next 48 hours is low at 10%, and formation chance through the next 5 days is low at 20%. So we see that the low pressure is located around this region, with some convection over to the east, some convection on to the south. So according to the cloud cover, it's pretty nice size storm. But let's go to the visibility. So as I said, here is where the low pressure is located. Actually, it looks like it's... Okay, so just saying, it's pretty cool to notice the what's the word I'm trying to think? The rotation of the storm. Like you can see it under all these main clouds, but you can't really see it. So can't really give you a rough estimate for how big it is. So we see the GFS actually makes landfall on at Mexico, and then goes on north, only reaching about 102. Here is the CMC model. So CMC just meanders over the area and then moves on northward, meandering even more, and then making landfall in Louisiana. So Louisiana seems like the place for landfall for this storm. Here's the NavJam model, and here, according to the NavJam, it's gonna make a direct landfall in Galveston/Houston region. So here's the Icon model. We see that it meanders again for about 5-ish days, and then makes landfall like right in the middle of Louisiana and Texas. So according to the H-Wolf model, we see that it's supposed to go ahead due to a meandering thing. So yeah, it's supposed to do the meandering thing, make landfall in Mexico, probably as a tropical depression or none at all, and then it goes off the land, and then it meanders even more. So definitely flooding of heavy rains will be possible. So the wind shear for the system actually looks pretty good if we have any. It'll be a westerly wind shear, but we do see at about the 90 hour it gets engulfed by wind shear, and that's probably the main reason why it'll be dying on down. Don't know why I have two of the exact same. Think it was supposed to be something else. Yeah, you're supposed to be wind. So with this system, we see not really strong winds, and it looks like it's kind of debatable between 30 to 40 knots. So if I had to choose anything for the storm, it'll probably only be a 40 to about 50 mile per hour storm. So GFS to waves, and then we see. Okay, so around this time frame, we see that it's kind of merging with another one, and we see possibly some waves and some swells on Louisiana, possibly up to 19 to 21 feet. I believe it's feet. Yep. Wow. And then we see that it dies down, and then possibly put some waves for the Carolinas. And then do we see any more severe things? Possibly one down here going towards Panama. Forgot the country. But sorry if anybody lives in Panama that's watching this. But so the humidity for the system actually looks pretty good. As we see here, we do see a little you could say high pressure moving. So what's happening here is so there's a high pressure up here, low, low, and then low over here, and then another high. So a portion of this high is gonna split off and scoot up here. This high is supposed to lift due to that. Okay, so we have the low pressure, high, and high. So we mostly see that this high pressure with the jet stream will take the probably bill up north, which leaves this gap open for for possible Claudette to move north by this high that's in the tropical Atlantic. So we see that this moves north, which moves the low pressure north, which could cause 21 foot feet swells. That's the word I was thinking. So only a few models actually say they'll get out to land, according to the CLPV and